Hi, I'm Kevin Fan and I'm a 7th grade ASB representative.
Hi, I'm Emma and I'm in 8th grade.
Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm in 7th grade.
My name is School-Mukilteo and I'm one of your 8th grade ASB representatives.
Hey, I am Solange Sanchez. I'm in the 8th grade, and I am your Explorer ASB representative.
Hi, I'm Jalen Trout, and I'm in 8th grade.
Hello, and thank you for coming. This is another slideshow on important people at Explorer Middle School. Please be sure to give a big round of applause to each one of them. First up we have Miss Olivares or Miss Sanchez. She is one of our administrative assistants and we are very lucky to have her. This is Miss Olison, who is another one of our administrative assistants. You might see her at the front desk a lot. We should also be very grateful for her. This is Miss Galinda, who is our registrar. Give her a big round of applause for helping our students. This is Miss Manning, who is in charge of student services. Give her another big round of applause for helping out our students. This is Miss Mackenzie, who knows what we would do without her if she weren't here to help us every day. Give her a big round of applause too. This is Miss Lane, a parent liaison. Thankfully, she's here for us. Give her a big round of applause as well. And this is Miss Leader, who is our student advocate. Please give her a big round of applause. Something special about each of these staff members is that they all help the school in one way or another. Please be thankful that we have all of these teachers, all of these staff members to help organize and get our school materials. If we didn't have those, I feel like many kids would struggle. Another big thanks that we have to give is they make sure our campus is gonna be COVID free when we get back, or hopefully when we get back. Another thing that they also help out with is they help register kids and get their schedules. That is Miss Galinda's job. She does a lot of paperwork helping to transfer the students. And then Miss Olison and Miss Olivares or Sanchez help out a lot too. All these teachers help out with different things, but we're grateful we have them all to help our students get, let's see, food, for example. Or they contact with our parents to help us have better education. And that is all. Thank you for joining us today and giving a big thanks to all of these staff members. Help make our school better at Explorer Middle School.
Face the cookie. The human face is composed of many muscles, with two large groups that help make a smile or frown. In this challenge, the contestant must move a total of 2 cookies from their forehead to their mouth using only their facial muscles. If a cookie drops, the contestant may reset another cookie on the forehead and try again. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination.
2, 1.
Explore. Even though we are socially distant this year, we still have some amazing clubs for you to join. On Mondays at 1 o'clock, we have Miss Leader as our advisor for the Cooking and Eating Club. And for the Drawing Club, we have Mr. Hamper supervising on Thursdays at 1 o'clock. On Fridays at 1:30, we have Mrs. Main as our advisor for the Debate Club. And for our Eco Book Club, we have our amazing librarian, Mrs. Jackson, advising once a month on Fridays, 1 o'clock through 1:45 p.m. And for our Game Book Club, we have Mr. Lakey advising on Wednesdays at 2 o'clock, along with the Chispa on Thursdays at 1:30. And on Fridays at 1:30, we have Mrs. Nyquist advising the Minecraft Education Club. And for our Newspaper Club, we have Mr. Heckler and Miss Edwards as our advisors on Thursdays at 1:30. And on Tuesdays at 2 o'clock, we have Miss Saffold and Miss Edwards as our advisors for the Social Club. And on Tuesdays at 1 o'clock, we have Brooking as our advisor for the Sports Talk Club. And up here over on the right, you can find all the group codes to join the club rooms and all the advisory emails in case you need to contact one of the advisors. And down here we have the timeline for all the clubs, along with some pictures of you guys participating.
Stack attack. In this challenge, the contestant will use 36 plastic cups to erect a pyramid-shaped structure. Once built, the player must then deconstruct it by sliding the cups down diagonally, creating a single stack. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds will result in elimination.
Ready, woo!
The game begins in 3, 2, 1...
Flight 77, Stack Attack.
These were the winners for Monday, which was Comfy Cozy Day. Tuesday, Crazy Hat and Hair Day. Wednesday, Favorite Character Day. Thursday, Eagle Pride Day. And Friday, Crazy Costume and Fall Fashion Day. Thank you to everyone who participated.